I could have waited to graduate to start a business, but I wouldn't be anywhere near to where I am right now and the lessons I've learned. Creating things from scratch, that's what I've done. And I think it's important just to get into it. There's two classes and two professors that really launched my business career. So the first is entrepreneurship finance, and that's taught by Jay Eben. This is from a business owner perspective. How do we use those numbers to advance our business? The second class that really changed me was entrepreneurship, venture, capital, and analysis. That's taught by Jay Eben and Jack Dempsey, the two best professors I've ever had. And they understand that the best way for us to learn is to bring outside people doing this every day and to bring them into class and have them teach us. I'm in the real world now. I spent 4 years outside of it, but now I can put my head down, I can make some money, grow my business, and expand. I think that Jack Dempsey and Jay Eben did a great job at helping everybody pull value, even though the center of the entrepreneurship program there is about startups. Really hard to balance the school, the work, and the friends, right? But jump in, you're not going to regret it, and you're going to learn a lot all in the way.